Hey everyone, Jeff Sire from the Practical Drummer here. I want to show you a cool pseudo kind of metric modulation. I'm going to break up two measures of 4/4, which is 8 quarter notes, right? 4 plus 4 is 8. And if I have 8 quarter notes, I can actually break them up instead of 4 and 4, which we all know, two measures of 4/4 is. Okay, so there's 8 quarter notes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But what I want to do is actually, like the previous video, I did 3, 4, and 6, 8, kind of playing between those two, resolve in the same space. I want to play 3, 3, and 2, because 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8. Two measures of 4/4 can actually be two measures of 3/4 and one measure of 2/4. 3 plus 3 plus 2, right? So that would sound like this. If I just play the, again, very simply, the 1 on the bass drum and the 3 on the snare drum, you're going to see how it's kind of strange. So I'll play two measures of 4/4 regular, and then I'll play this 3, 3, and 2 breakdown. So two measures of 3/4 and one measure of 2/4. That makes an 8/4 phrase, which is actually the same as 2 bars of 4/4, right? So here it goes. It's a 4-bar phrase total. Two measures 4/4, and then the 3, 3, 2. Here we go. So I played four measures of 4/4 there in the beginning, but then I did the 3 and the 2, right, a couple times. And basically, it was 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 1. So 1 and 2 and. So I added in a little flavor at the end there, but technically it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. See, it's very strange. It sounds odd. Let me play it again. 2 and 2. This time I'll get it right. Two measures 4/4, and then this 3, 3, 3, 2 breakdown. Okay? 1, 2, 3. There you go. There's 3, 3, and 2, right? The phrase is 3/4. Still thinking in eighth notes. But now I want to, instead of the 3/4, I want to play 6/8. Okay? So again, it's still 3, 3, and 2, but the 3/4 measures are broken into 6/8 instead. Okay? So that would sound like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm playing 4/4 just to kind of get you primed up, but really what I want to do is play two measures of 3, 3, and 2 using 3/4, and then 3, 3, and 2 using 6/8. Make that the 4-bar phrase. So take the regular 4/4 out of it, and then you've got this kind of really kind of strange sounding groove, but it's really not rocket science. It's really just math, right? So 3, 3, 2. Phrase is 3/4, 3, 3, 2, phrase is 6/8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. that's it. Again, you can play on the ride cymbal. I kept the left foot going on quarter notes, so when we're in the 6/8 feel, it's actually playing a polyrhythm. 3/2, right? It's playing on the 1, 3, and 5 in 6/8, and on the 1, 2, and 3 and 3/4, right? 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. See, counting 3, 4, and 6/8. It's in the same space. You just how you count it that's all that's different, right? So experiment with this. This is really where bands like Tool and Rush and some of the progressive rock bands and metal bands come up with some of these really odd phrases and grooves that are really in 4/4 actually. Some of them, that sounded strange to go from 3/4, 3/4, and 2/4 to 6/8, 6/8, and 2/4 as a 4-bar phrase, but it's actually in 4 measures of 4/4, if you know what I'm talking about. So it's the same space, we're just breaking it up differently. Okay, so check that out and have some fun. Take care.